The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 may be your last chance to get a Plus model. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus could be the last of its kind, as according to a report from the Elec, Samsung is considering making only 2 Galaxy S phones next year. The Elec sources say that the Galaxy S24 project within Samsung so far only references 2 models, codenamed DM1 and DM3. One would assume these refer to the basic Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, leaving the Galaxy S24 Plus missing in action. Since the Galaxy S20 and 2020, Samsung's used the regular, Plus, or Ultra model types that we see to this day with the Galaxy S22 series, and will likely see again with the Galaxy S23 in a couple of weeks. However, removing the Plus model would theoretically cut the Galaxy S down to just 2 models: the basic, smaller regular model, and the larger, more expensive Ultra version with high-end features. It's worth noting, however, that other leakers don't agree. Roland Quantum Wind Future says that the DM series refers to Diamond, the Galaxy S23's codename, not the Galaxy S24. Unless Samsung decides to use the same codename 2 years in a row, it's very likely the Elec's claims of a missing Galaxy S24 Plus don't stand up. Besides, there's still over a year until we'd expect the Galaxy S24 to arrive, so Samsung would have plenty of time to change its mind if it was considering getting rid of the Plus model. That said, sales for middle models and flagship smartphones are pretty low at the moment, so perhaps Samsung would be making a smart decision to cut its losses. According to ICE Universe, the Galaxy S22 Plus makes up just 17% of S22 sales, while we've also seen reports that the iPhone 14 Plus, the new mid-range iPhone, isn't selling well either. Users seem to want either entry-level models or the most fully featured range toppers, leaving phones like the Galaxy S22 Plus unwanted. We're likely going to see the Galaxy S23 series debut at the Galaxy Unpacked event taking place on February 1. It should still feature 3 phones in the lineup, including base, Plus, and Ultra models, with new rumored features like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 200 megapixels main camera for the Galaxy S23 Ultra model likely to take center stage. But even as we start trying out these new phones, we'll be keeping an ear to the ground to see if there's anything more to these rumors of the Galaxy S Plus model's demise. So what are your thoughts on this rumor? Do we really need either entry-level models or the most fully featured range toppers, leaving phones like the Galaxy S22 Plus unwanted? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and for more Galaxy news, you can check out our channel. See you for the next time. Peace out.